Hakar tarik rumpang arja arpuar umetri rangba kejelau kon kisangma ula pentip bala Ioh Kem ya Baroh Kiba Donkti haka Jingbthei Bom hakandailat haka laipo tarik ubanai blala. Nagaliang kipula kidang pulang ke Jingbthei kit kabanya yakini kibri Baroh Kibla Ioh Kem.
All the people who have been involved in the recent IED blast that took place, all the people have been arrested, and investigation is on, and we will be moving forward into the network even further and going into all the people who were in touch with them also to make sure that we dig into this deep and get hold of all the people who could possibly have been a part of this or have assisted. But the people who were directly involved in the incident itself, all of them have been arrested, including the people from whom the dynamite, the sticks were procured, including the people who placed it and including the people who had made it. If I am not wrong, there are 4, but you'll have to just reconfirm with the thing, because that includes in the past how many more were there. Will have to be reconfirmed, but the main 4 people who were there involved have been arrested.
Are these all HNLC cadres or who are they?
So these are supporters and sympathizers of that, and of course the actual linkage and how much they've been involved in communication and organization still is a matter of investigation. So we're looking into those aspects also.
There will be CCTV coverage in entire Shillong.
Yeah, it's happening, and that's the reason why we caught them, because we have CCTV footage on all 3 of them.
That IED bomb, one was planted in PB and other one, where did
they found it in the house of the main accused, who we, as I said, was already in the network. We knew, we had all the information and intel about these people, and as soon as this happened, we activated the network, went to his house, and we found that in his house.
So did they plan to keep this otherwise?
That we don't know. That investigation is on.
So the HNLC has said that it was a warning for extortion. So how would you
government react?
No, this is, as I said, I'm very clear, and we have made it clear yesterday also that we will be very firm on this, and we will take very firm and strict action on this, and all the people who have been involved will be caught, and that has been done, and we will continue to do this. Those who intend to create fear and terror will not be spared. So we will do everything that is required to be done.
Thank you.
Thank you.